everyone, good day. This is Mr. M. Gomez. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about the circumference and the area of the circle. So without further ado, let's start. When we say circumference, that is the distance around the circle. So in order for us to get the circumference of the circle, we need the diameter or the radius. So the diameter is a line segment that passed through the center. And when we say radius, that is a line segment whose endpoints are the center and a point on the circle. So again, diameter is twice the radius. So that is d is equal to 2r. So for the circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi times radius or 2 pi r. Other formula, that is pi times diameter, since twice the radius is diameter. So therefore, either 2 pi r or pi times diameter. So again, please take note. The formula for C or circumference is 2 pi r if the given is radius and pi d if the given is diameter. So let us have the area of the circle. How do we derive the area of the circle? So let us consider this figure. If we are going to cut this circle into congruent parts, let's say we have 8 congruent parts. So this one is the circumference, the length of the line around the circle. So circumference is 2 pi r. And this one is the radius. We can form from these congruent parts a parallelogram. So we use only for half of the congruent parts as the base to form a parallelogram, and the half of the base is on top. So now, half of 2 pi r is pi r. So the height is r. The area of the circle is derived from the area of the parallelogram, which is base times height. So that is equal to, base is pi r and height is radius. So pi r times r, the area of the circle is pi r squared. So let us have the following examples. Find the area and circumference of the circle. Write your answer in terms of pi. So for item number 1, the given is 3 miles for the radius. So again, the given is radius. So therefore, for the circumference of the circle, we have C is equal to 2 pi r. Since our answer is in terms of pi, meaning the only value that we are going to substitute is the value of r. So again, r is 3 miles. Therefore, this is equal to 2 pi times 3 miles. So that is equal to 2 times 3, that is 6. Then write pi, and the unit is miles. Therefore, the distance around the circle is 6 pi miles, given r is equal to 3 miles. Now, let us have the area of the circle. So again, the area is equal to pi r squared. So now, again, our answer is in terms of pi. So the only thing that we are going to substitute is the value of r. And the value of r is 3 miles. So rewrite pi, then substitute 3 miles as r, then square. So 3 times 3 or 3 squared is 9. So therefore, our final answer for the area is 9 pi, then miles times miles is square miles. So our area is 9 pi square miles and our circumference is 6 pi miles for item number 1. For item number 2, the given is 8 yards, which is diameter. So let us find the circumference of the circle. So again, the given is diameter. Therefore, we are going to use the formula of the circumference, which is C, is equal to pi d. So now, since we are going to write our answer in terms of pi, so therefore, the only value that you are going to substitute is the value of d, which is diameter. So the diameter is 8 yards. So that is equal to pi, rewrite pi, then the diameter is 8 yards. So therefore, the circumference of the circle is 8 pi yards. So let us have the area of this circle. So again, the formula in finding the area of the circle is A is equal to pi r squared. So A is equal to pi r squared. So again, we need the value of r, but the given is diameter. So again, r is half of diameter. So therefore, half of 8 is 4 yards. So therefore, r is equal to 4 yards. So now, our answer is in terms of pi. So therefore, we need to rewrite pi and then substitute the value of r, which is 4 yards. And then square it. What is the square of 4 yards? That is equal to 16 square yards. Then, since our answer is in terms of pi, so our final answer is 16 pi square yards. So again, 4 times 4 is 16. Then rewrite pi. Then square of yards is square yards. Okay, let us have example number 3 and example number 4. Let us find the circumference and area of the circle. So for item number 3, use pi is equal to 22 over 7 as an approximation. And use pi is equal to 3.14 as an approximation for item number 4. For item number 3, the given is the radius, which is equivalent to 14 feet. So again, let us find the distance around the circle. So that is circumference. So since the given is radius, the formula for circumference is C is equal to 2 pi r. So that is equivalent to 2. Pi is 22 over 7. So let us substitute pi as 22 over 7. Then r is equal to 14 feet. So now, 14 divided by 7, that is equal to 2. So cancel, which is equal to 2. Then multiply 2 times 2, 4 times 22, that is equal to 88 feet. So the circumference of the circle, or the distance around the circle, is 88 feet. So let us have the area of this circle. So again, the formula for area is A is equal to pi r squared. So again, use pi is equal to 22 over 7 as an approximation. So let us substitute what is the value of pi, that is 22 over 7. Then times r is equal to 14 feet. Then square. So meaning 14 feet square, that is equal to 14 times 14. So that is equal to 14 times 14 feet. Then multiply to 22 over 7. So now we can cancel 1 of the 14. So 14 divided by 7, that is equivalent to 2. So now 2 times 14, that is 28. Times 22, that is equal to 616. Then feet square, that is equal to square feet. So the area of this circle is 616 square feet. For item number 4, the given is 3 kilometers, which is the diameter. So again, the formula in finding the circumference given the diameter is C is equal to pi d. So use pi is equal to 3.14 as an approximation. And d is the diameter, which is 3 kilometers. So let us substitute the value of the formula. So that is equal to pi is 3.14 times d is the diameter, which is 3 kilometers. Then multiply 3.14 times 3, that is equivalent to 9.42 kilometers. For the area of the circle, again, A is equal to pi r squared. So A is equal to pi r squared. So we need the value of r, or radius. So radius is half of diameter. So diameter is 3 kilometers. So what is half of 3? So r is equal to 1.5 kilometers. So now let us substitute the value of this formula. So pi is 3.14 as an approximation. So pi is equal to 3.14 times r is 1.5 kilometers. So 1.5 kilometers, then square. So the square of 1.5 kilometers, so that is 1.5 times 1.5, that is equal to 2.25 square kilometers times 3.14. So 3.14 times 2.25, that is equivalent to 7.065 square kilometers, or approximately 7.07. So the area is 7.065 square kilometers. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned from my video. And if you learned, please subscribe to my channel. Goodbye!